Hey there, welcome to Techposts Guides. In today's video, we are going to unbox and set up this 9-inch Full HD car stereo system that supports both wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. If you have an old car with FM stereo system and no display, this is one of the most affordable touchscreen car stereo system that you can buy for your car and enjoy wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. In the box, you get the 9-inch Full HD touchscreen stereo with a 12-volt DC input, a USB and AV out port. This is for the aux, and a camera input port. Yes, it also comes with a rear view camera, and then it has a SD card slot and a mic input jack. On the other side, you have a power on off button, and that's it. Now next in the box, we get a very high quality aux cable that we can use to connect this unit to our existing car's aux input port. Then we have a power supply that connects to your 12-volt port in your car, and this is one of the two mounts that is three-way adjustable. You can use this to install this stereo system in your car, on the dashboard or on the windscreen. It snaps in quite nicely and it's not going to fall at all. Next, we have the camera and its wires that you can install in your car to view what's behind while reversing the car. Now this is another mount. As I said, it comes with two mounts. Now you can use this mount to mount the stereo on the dashboard, and that's one of the best USP of this stereo system. I mean, anyone can install this stereo system in their car in just a few minutes. It also snacks very well and comes with 3M double side tape to stick it to the dashboard. Now it comes with one more accessory and then the documentation. So the stereo system comes with all the required accessories you will need to install it. You don't have to buy a single thing from the market. And as I mentioned earlier, this stereo system doesn't require professional installation. Anyone with little to no expertise can install and set it up. Now you can pause the video to read what's on the box. I'm just going to quickly show it to you. So if you're interested, just pause it, read it and move forward. Now next, I'm just going to quickly install it in my car just to show you, although I have a display unit, but just to show you how to set it up, I'm going to do this. So I have used the double side tape that comes with this stereo system with this mount and stick it to the dashboard. Now again, you can use any of the two mounts. Next, just connect the power cable to the stereo unit and the 12-volt output port of your car. And as soon as you connect it, it just quickly boots within 5 seconds and connects to your iPhone or Android device in 10 to 15 seconds. Now you need to set it up once, and I've already done this, so I'm not going to show that. It's very easy. All you need to do is connect your iPhone or Android device through Bluetooth and just follow the prompts on your device. It will get auto connected. Now once the device is connected, it will automatically launch the Android Auto or the CarPlay system, whichever device you have connected. Now let me just quickly show you the settings part. You can go to the settings and enable or disable the built-in speaker. Yes, it does comes with a built-in speaker, but it's just a 3-watt speaker, so it doesn't sound that great. So I would highly recommend that you disable it. Next, you can choose the driving side, language, use restore to factory settings if something goes wrong, and then you can go to the link service where you can enable or disable Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. In the Wi-Fi settings, you can choose the band, Wi-Fi ID, password for the Apple AirPlay, and you can also go to the further settings where you can adjust the camera view, the rear view camera, which you can use for reversing your car. So you can adjust the park lines. The interface is quite intuitive and it's very easy to set it up. You can also choose whether you want a mirrored view in the camera and enable or disable the video warning message. Now this unit also comes with a brightness sensor and thus automatically adjusts the display brightness based on the environment, whether it's day or night, so you don't have to worry about the brightness Whether you are driving at night or day, it's just going to adjust automatically. Similarly, you can also control the output volume using the speaker icon. Just touch it and slide the slider to adjust the brightness or the volume. Now, as I said earlier, you can connect the stereo system to your existing car stereo via aux, but if you don't want the wires to be hanging around, you can use the FM transmitter feature on this stereo system, which in my opinion is a really nice feature as it enables you to listen to the music from your car stereo on an empty radio band. Just choose the frequency on the stereo and adjust and match your car unit's FM transmitter frequency. That's it. You can listen to the crystal clear music playing via the Android Auto or CarPlay or your Bluetooth device and sounding from your car speakers powered by your existing legacy stereo system. And overall, this gives a really nice experience, and this is one of the best products that you can use to upgrade your traditional car stereo system and give your car's interior a new life at a highly affordable price. Now, if you are interested in this product, you can visit their site and get it shipped to your home anywhere in the world. They ship all over the world at a really affordable price. So that was all in this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next.